I'm unboxing crochet kit for beginners. I'm so excited to try it out. First thing in the box is the stuffing, and then all this super soft pre-cut color sorted yarn. They even add extra yarn for each color so you don't run out mid-project. And this little bag has everything else you need to start crocheting: an ergonomic crochet hook, safety eyes, needles, stitch markers, even a keychain, so you can turn your plushie into a bag charm. Here is the photo guide, full color pictures that walk you through each part of the owl and show you exactly how the pieces should look. It's really detailed so you can compare your work as you go. It comes in different languages, and there are QR codes that link to video tutorials. So if you prefer to learn by watching, just scan and follow along step by step. I love that they explain the basic stitches and magic ring in detail. So you get yarn, stuffing, tools, printed manuals, and video access. Literally everything to start your first amigurumi project in one box. I highly recommend this kit if you want to crochet your first little amigurumi without hunting for separate supplies.